Okay, this video is going to show how to do an extrude cut, but a strange one. Generally, we've done rectangles or curves at the up to now, and I want to show you how to do something a little bit more difficult so that you can use your imagination for how you might do the thing that you want to do. So right now, I want to show you that I have a cylindrical pot. See that? And I'm going to cut out a strange shape out of the top so that it looks a bit more like a shark mouth. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I need a sketch, and I'm going to just draw some lines. Now I want to draw a line. I want to cut this out, so I want to make sure it's going to be above the top of the pot when I cut it. So I'm just going to draw. It doesn't matter what the measurements of that shape is, so long as it's bigger than, it starts at the top of the pot and then it goes out bigger and above the pot. And now I'm going to do my shape. So I want to go, shark mouth is like lots of teeth. So I'm just going to draw a lot of teeth. You want to be careful if you're actually doing shark teeth, to make sure that you don't make it too sharp, because you could actually, when planting your pot, you don't want to get hurt. So go back up the other side. I'm going to go slightly lower for this second set of teeth, and of course you're going to do a better job than me. But there we go, that's probably to the edge. See how it's orange? That means that it's lined up with the edge. And then I just want to join that up to the beginning. It has to be joined so that it gets this shaded look. The shaded look tells me that my drawing is complete. Once I click that, you can see that exit sketch, and we'll have a look at, that's just, it's in the center of the pot. Can you see that? It's in the center of the pot. It can be on either side, but wherever your face is probably where it's going to end up. So my face was going through the center of my pot, like that. Okay, so now I want to cut this. So I'm going to highlight the sketch, and then I'm going to go extrude cut. Okay, that didn't work properly, so click the sketch there. And now it's saying, do you want me to just cut 1 centimeter? I don't want you to just cut 1 centimeter. And I also don't want to just cut one direction. Because mine's in the center, I'm going to click this thing that says mid-plane, which means cut in both directions at once. And then I'm just going to make it bigger than the pot. It doesn't actually matter so long as it's bigger than the pot itself, so that when the cut happens, it happens on both sides. And I'm watching the preview now to see if the shape is about what I expected, and it's about what I expected. Okay, and so now I'm going to click tick, and there is my shark pot, all ready for some eyes and nose on it. Your teeth will be straighter than mine. This shark is in desperate need of some dental work.